Hello and welcome to another one of Dee's ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at limits at infinity. Before we actually do the limits at infinity, there are a few basic scenarios that you need to know. Anytime you get a zero over a number in a limit, that's equal to 0. Anytime you get infinity over a number, it's equal to infinity. Now when they're flipped upside down, and this one does not exist, or you get infinity, you get the opposites when they're flipped upside down. So make sure you know those. Alright, these are key to your limit understanding. Next thing you got to watch out for is the indeterminate forms. Determinate forms. And those are 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. And what you do is, if you get a limit and you get an answer, you're done. But if you get one of these indeterminate forms, you have to do algebra until it's no longer indeterminate. And then once you get a form that's no longer indeterminate, you'll get a number answer and you're done. That's basically the concept of limits at infinity. You can use the limit as x approaches plus or minus infinity as you get really large and really small in your x values to find your horizontal asymptotes. And you'll always get one asymptote if there's no square root, and you should get two asymptotes if there is a square root. And also it can't be 0, right? Because you can't have a positive and negative 0. It's the same thing. But if it's a number value answer to your horizontal asymptote and there's a square root with square root, then you should get two answers. Okay? So that should clear up the concept of limits at infinity. Make sure you check out the example video that will further clarify any doubts that you may have. Thank you and have a nice day.